Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to disconnect Wi-Fi on Realme mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you can scroll down. No need to scroll down. Here is the network and internet, so just click on network and internet. When you click on it, here click the Wi-Fi which has been connected, just click on it. Okay, so this is the connected Wi-Fi. So if you want to disconnect or share forget Wi-Fi, what you need to do is that this is the forget option and this is the disconnect option. Okay, if you want to disconnect, just click on disconnect and here the Wi-Fi will be disconnected. Okay, you can disconnect the Wi-Fi like this. Okay, and if you want to forget, you can click on forget. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.